I'm here. Thank you.
I know you will return. I trust you. I know you need that money.
Yes, Your Majesty. I really need this very money. And I will talk if only I see the money cash. They want to rule the kingdom by fire, by force.
1 million naira. Cash.
For me alone. Your Majesty, I will talk.
Now my ears are open. Talk to me.
Your Majesty, I will tell everything. As we were going...
Ichiembakwe, I am listening. What? Is that a joke or something? Start talking to me! Oh, you want to... Ichiezenwa. Oh, you want to play tricks on me? Start talking now! What is happening here? What is going on here? Ichiezenwa. Out! God! Get out!
Majesty. Everything will be fine. You have to rest now.
Our king must not die. Our king must live. Under my watch, yeah. He must not die. They call me. Come on, chef. Come on, chef. Come on, maiden. Come on, maiden. Come on, come on. Manandreze di fanaka. Manandreze di fanaka. Come on, chef. Come on, chef. Come on, maiden. Come on, maiden. Come on, come on. Manandreze di fanaka. Come on, chef. Come on, maiden. Come on, come on. Manandreze di fanaka.
Your Majesty, I have to go back to my duties in the kitchen. I promise you I'll come by from time to time to check up on you until time for your medication and food.
This is amazing to see.
Just take a good look at yourself. Look at the way Ifunanya deals with you. I asked you to leave her, but you refused. That girl is possessed. I always knew she's a witch. What? Were you expecting for her to sit back and watch you put your 2 fingers into her eyes? Hmm? You were forming Michael Jackson. Look at the way she just finished you like point and kill.
What's even funny? What's funny? You were there. She almost killed me. I did not know that girl is that strong.
Oh, wait. Are you talking about Ifunanya? The strength in that girl's body. It's even heavier than her herself.
I won't fight her again, but
No.
I'm definitely going to deal with that girl.
Oh, you... When you saw her, why didn't you talk now? When you should have stopped. You cannot talk again. If I did not intervene, you would have been a dead foul.
And what are you doing here?
Oh, you don't need the money again? Eh?
The money?
No, tissue paper.
Ada, you and I know that I need this money. I'm tearing apart.
You never get problem. You see they speak grammar. Grammar boy. I'm here to know if you have changed your mind.
About what?
About sleeping with me now, eh? Check it out now. Check me out, eh?
Don't touch me again.
Hey!
Hey. You have suffered. Ada, do you know you are so useless?
Me?
Yes, in fact, you are so useless. You are shameless.
I agree.
You are a disgrace to motherhood.
You can say whatever thing you want to say. You can call whatever names you want to call me. It's my money. I agree. Let me be useless. Let me be stupid. It's my money. What is even wrong with you, Seth? What did I even see in this, Seth?
Wait, let me ask you something. So, me now, if you lie down now, legally, you'll be happy. But, I don't even know what to qualify you with.
You can say whatever you want to say. It's your life. You like poverty. Somebody want to dash you free money. You are making shakara. Who do you even think you are, Seth? Shameless. You mean I want to change your mind. You mean I want to change your life? Look at what you are wearing.
Leave your pride.
Poverty boy. You are seeing money, you are chasing it away. Useless boy.
Keep your money.
I don't even blame you. I blame myself for even stooping so low to come to meet somebody like that.
Hey, you're fine, poor guy, because of money.
His Majesty asked me not to leave.
He wrote that for you?
Yes, he did.
I think both of us matters a lot in his life.
I think so too.
My only worry is my sick and dying mother. I don't know how she's faring. I don't know how she's doing.
Ifunanya, you don't need to worry too much, okay? Your mother will be fine. I'll show you that. You know what? Let me just go to the kitchen and get you something to eat. I'm sure you'll be fine.
No, I don't want food. I don't want anything. Thank you so much for your love, your care. Thank you for everything. I appreciate.
You're welcome.
I'll be on my way now.
It's It's alright, Ifunanya. Bye.
Bad mother with bad children, very desperate and ambitious. Fatally Chobodonike. They want to rule the kingdom by fire, by fire. Onye muchu sofa, baby nayo. If he stand on their way, they will destroy you. Fatally Chobodonike. They are ready to do anything just to take over the throne. Killing is nothing today.
Mother, what is wrong?
Are you really sure we deleted the right person?
Mother, what question are you asking? Do you have doubts?
There is this young boy I met in Mazimbabwe's house. I don't know his mission in this kingdom. I was so uncomfortable with his presence.
Have you seen this man before, Mother?
No. But I doubt if that young man is not a royal blood.
Don't worry about it, Mother. I shall find out who he is.
Find out.
And his mission to this kingdom.
Yes. Find out whom he is and his mission in this kingdom. Maybe we have taken the wrong turn.
I will find out. I will.
They want to rule the kingdom by fire, by fire. Onye muchu sofa, baby nayo. If he stand on.
I sincerely show my condolence about the gruesome death of your son, the Grand Prince.
Thank you, my friend. But those that did this, they will surely pay. They will pay with their blood. They will.
I'm really sorry.
Queen, we are very, very sorry for what happened. Please accept our heartfelt condolence.
This is so sad. Very, very, very sad. Why did they kill the innocent prince? Yeah. Why? My elders, this is very pathetic.
Very, very.
Let us look into this matter and deal with it properly. It must not be swept under the carpet at all. No way, no way.
Yes, you are right. It must not be swept under the carpet. We must do something very serious about it.
I suspect Queen Dora and her brutal children. Huh? They killed my son.
We, the elders, and the elder brother of the Seventh Kingdom, we will not allow the killer to go scot-free.
Never.
He must be brought to book.
Exactly.
Hence, you have complained to us. We will swing into action to do it for you.
It's
Thank
okay.
Thank
Stop
you,
crying.
Thank you. Thank you, my elders. I know I can always count on you. Thank you, my queen.
Wipe your tears.
so painful. My only son. My only son.
Oh my goodness. Your brother is so cute.
I know.
Oh my god, why is he so handsome? My goodness.
Sweetie, you can sit there again, honestly.
You know, we've been talking over on the phone. And I must tell you, I enjoy every bit of our conversation.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I told you my brother will fall in love with you so easily because you're so beautiful.
I know.
Honestly.
Thank you so much.
Oh, yes.
I just can't wait for him to come back and make me a queen.
Mm-hmm.
And then crown my brother a king. The king of Obo Kingdom.
Aww.
You don't get it. I can't believe I'm so much in love with the emperor himself.
I'm sure you are. But let me ask you, for how long have you been discussing with my brother?
For over a month now. We've been talking over a month now.
I see.
But I'm worried.
About what?
He's always busy over there. He doesn't take video calls. I don't know, I'm just worried.
Sweetie, you don't have to be worried, okay? I'm sure he will come to see you soon, okay? He'll be back soon.
I can't wait.
Of course, I know that.
So, speak to me. How has it been going with you and my brother?
Yeah, still on the process. Yes.
And the process?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
Look at this one. There's another picture.
Come on, why is it so sexy?
I know that.
Oh, good.
The outfit is something else.
They have soiled their hands here because of the joy. It's breaking my heart. What you are doing? Defending my They have soiled their hands here because of the joy. It's breaking my heart. It's making me to cry. Defending my
Oh, come on, guys. You don't treat a cute gentleman like this. Besides, he hasn't done anything wrong. Or have you?
I don't understand.
Never mind. I am so sorry for the rough handling. Please, forgive them.
They have soiled their hands.
I'm inviting you to my palace tonight. Dinner time. I will be expecting you.
Bad mother with bad children, very desperate and ambitious. Fatally they want to rule the kingdom by fire, by force. Onye muchu sofa, baby if he stand on their way, they will.
My prince, you sent for me.
There is something I want us to discuss. It is only for your ears.
All right, my prince.
Come.
No, my prince! My prince, no! My prince! My prince!
Let's go,
Thank you
What
very
is wrong
much.
with you?
Mother, why? Why did you stop me? I am the king in the making. I can get whatever I want. I want to bust her virginity. Virginity my foot. I still want my father to die. Die so I can prepare to be king.
Certainly, you will make a foolish king. A stupid king. Ikemba, you are not ashamed of yourself. I will have you do whatever you wish, but certainly not to touch, rape any woman that you're not supposed to touch.
Can't you see I'm high? I am high. I need to offload. Mother, I need her too. I need to offload.
Shut up. Go out there and get yourself a woman. Ikemba, I'm ashamed of you. Your sister is out there fighting, ready to slay anybody that will stand on our way of achieving our mission. Here you are, looking for a woman to devour. Shame on you.
Family. Family is everything. Family.
Fool.
They want to rule the kingdom by fire, by force. Onye muchu sofa, fe baby na yo. If you stand on their way.
I want to go. Let me go. I am scared. He wants to rape me.
I know. I know, Ifunanya. But remember, you made the king a promise to serve him for as long as he's alive.
How did you find out?
I know a lot of things, Ifunanya. I know why you're here. I know about the secret water. I know the importance of your presence. I know everything.
Chef.
My prince.
How dare you interrupt my moment?
I'm very sorry, my prince. I only tried to save an innocent.
Now listen, and listen very good. The next time you interrupt my moment, I will kill you!
Very sorry, please.
It's alright. I believe one day all of this will be over.
I believe so too. I'm so sorry.
Please excuse me.
Why are you so sad because I sent pictures of my body to you? Baby, I did that because I wanted you to see how natural and beautiful I look. Yes. Besides, I miss your voice every single day. I just wish I could, have you all to myself right now. Hold you, kiss you. But that's how I feel about you, babe. It's okay. I'll leave you for now. But please, don't get distracted while you stare at those pictures of mine. All right, my love. I love you. Bye. I just want you to make my brother a king. And after that, I shall serve you this hot, huge breakfast and then walk away. All men shall bow at my feet. All of them. If you want my body to be yours, you will first worship me. I am loving this game. I am.
What are you even doing here? What are you doing here, you dumb fool? Oh, wait, I get it. We have a guest and you want to show yourself around.
No, my princess.
Then what are you doing here? Where is the chef? Get out of this table. Get that out!
Sorry, my princess.
Idiot. I am so sorry about that. Shall we? Mr. Chizzy, you said something about oil in the land. I don't quite follow. Could you please throw more light on that?
Yes, I work with Blue Oil and Gas Company. We discovered oil in the stream in this community, and I was directed to meet with the elders.
What? Who gave such directive?
I'm sorry, I do not know him too well, my queen. But he works with the local government chairman.
Was that why I saw you with the elders the other day?
Yes, my queen.
You must be a fool.
Pardon?
You have to come to me. I am the heir to the throne. This is my palace. This is my kingdom.
I was directed to meet with the elders. I was only doing as I was advised. How am I supposed to know whom to meet first?
I see. They want to go ahead and have meetings with him behind your back, while your father is still alive. Have you seen them? Look, I would want you to disagree and cancel whatever plans you have with the elders. This is the right place.
I am the right place. You have to come to me. This is my kingdom.
Yes, obviously. My prince. I was told the king is down with stroke and that his second son will give a go-ahead.
That's absolutely nonsense. I am the way, the truth, and the light to the path that you have chosen. Now tell me, how much are we talking about here?
1 billion naira.
Whoa!
1 billion.
That's quite huge.
Mother, have you seen why I'm going to kill these elders? Look at what they intend to conceal from me.
You should be grateful to your sister, young man.
My queen.
My darling, you are free to visit this palace anytime, any day. This is the right place to hold any business meeting that concerns this community. Okay?
Okay, my queen. Corrections taken.
Now tell me, this project, When is it starting? When is it commencing? Talk to me, I need to know. When?
As you all can see, there is a change in the plan. So I will have to get back to the company and speak with the board of directors, which after I will then get back to you all.
You have to get back to me. Directly. No government, no individuals, no group, nobody, no elders, most especially. Directly to me. Report back to me. Is that understood?
I fully understand you, my prince.
And I hope you perfectly understood. Well, I just want to say thank you for honoring my dinner invitation. I really appreciate.
The honor is mine, my princess. Thank you so much.
I'm equally sorry for the rough handling.
It's okay, I truly understand.
So guys, it's actually a sweet night.
Of course.
Let's go ahead and have fun.
I hope you enjoy your meal.
Yeah, nice.
We have beautiful maidens in the palace. If you want, they can make your night so memorable.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you for your kind gesture and hospitality. But I have a fiancé, so I'll pass.
You're welcome. It's all right. We will keep communicating based on what we discussed.
Oh, okay. That's cool. No problem.
Dozier,
Princess.
I am a very, very impatient and unpredictable lady of high esteem. I shall warn you. If you try to play smart one on us, I may sink you. Have a sweet night.
Thank you. Well, I must confess, there is a clause to this whole agreement.
Fire on. I'm listening.
Okay. As long as your father is still alive, he needs to be actively involved in this whole process, which means we need his consent.
So, my sick, dying father is directly involved.
Yes, he's still the king. The contract bears his name, so his approval is needed. I don't know, because I feel your brother was too excited about this whole thing. So he needs to be aware that his father is the one to approve.
Have a sweet night.
Thank you.
Dozie.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
I enjoyed the meal. The chef is good. All right, good night.
Our king must not die. Our king must live under my watch, yeah. He must not die. They call me. Come on, chef. Come on, chef. Come on, maiden. Come on, maiden. Come on, come on. Manandreze di fanaka. Manandreze di fanaka. Come on, chef. Come on, chef. Come on, maiden. Come on, maiden. Come on, come on. Manandreze di fanaka. Come on, chef. Come on, maiden. Come on, come on. Manandreze di fanaka. This is amazing to see upright people existing in the midst of evil people. Yeah.
May you reign above your enemies, Your Majesty. I know you are fighting to stay alive. I'm also fighting to stay here and watch you stay alive. And against all odds, I'll serve you, my king. And I'll make sure you remain the neatest king ever.
Not to shed blood, royal blood. They have sworn, they took an oath. Not to shed blood, royal blood. Our king must not die. Our king must live.
My prince,
Under the
leave us.
But you call them, come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. Come on, Medi. Come on, Medi. Come on, come on. Manandreze di Fanaka. Manandreze di Fanaka. Come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. Come on, Medi. Come on.
You have refused to die.
You don't want my son to become the king. You don't want the emperor to crown my son the king. You see that oil contract money? It will not enter into your account. No way. It will be a waste. You hid your lawyer and all your important documents from us. Ikemba.
Mother.
Try again. And make sure you don't lose this time.
Bad mother with bad children, very desperate and ambitious.
Why do you resist death? Why? Why have you chosen to punish and wicked me? Why have you chosen to starve and punish me? What have I done to you? Why are you so wicked? Why? Why are you so... Die! 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 You can't continue to starve me. Die! Tomorrow, we will announce your death. Great King Ezali Kyopo. Wicked man. Born in hell. Finally, the coast is clear. Obo, behold your next king. Hey you, come here.
My prince.
Where are you coming from?
From His Majesty's chamber.
What?
Your father, I mean.
What did you go there to do?
He wrote demanding for coffee.
Just now?
Yes, just now.
No, that's not possible. That's not possible.
My prince, is everything all right?
Just get out, go.
My prince.
That's not possible. I made sure I strangled him myself. What is he talking about? The king is alive? No.
I think they killed him. Yes, they killed the prince. Funny enough, he is with them, but they don't have eyes. Yes. The gods have blinded their eyes. Yes. Really? I see. Son, you have to start making your way back to the kingdom. Yes, the festival is fast approaching and you need to be crowned the emperor so that you decide who to be crowned the next king of Obogu kingdom from your practical experience. All right. Good night.
Alright. Alright, good night. I love you.
Love you too, son. Good night.
Mother, I strangled him with my bare hands. I suffocated him to death. I watched him end his breathing. His last breath, Mother. He died like a chicken. He gave up. Only for me to see the chef few hours later coming from his chambers. Mother, guess what? He went to feed the dead. The king is alive. Your husband is still living. He has woken up. Mother, the king is alive. How is that possible? Mother, tell me, how?
It's the third time the king has refused to die.
He must die. He needs to die. He needs to die so that my son will become the king.
Your husband has become a stumbling block to my dreams, my ambitions of ruling this kingdom, Mother. What else do you want me to do? How else am I supposed to kill him, Mother? Tell me, how else am I supposed to kill this man? This man is evil. This man is a witch. Mother, how?
Very desperate and ambitious. Fatally they want to rule the kingdom by fire, by force.
Hello, my own. How are you? I'm fine too. Baby, I've missed you. I've missed you so much. So much. Yes, I can't wait for you to come back. Baby, my body's yearning for you. I need you back here. Please tell me, when are you coming back? Please hurry up. I miss you so much. You know you are the center of my world. You're everything to me and everything is you. Yes, my darling. No, everybody's fine. Everything is okay. I'm just missing you. See that your lips? Of course. You know I can't wait. You know you are everything to me. I can't wait to become your missus. If you don't worry, they will only try, but they can't do anything. You're all I have, and I'm here for you. I love you more, baby. I love you, love you, love you more.
Sorry I didn't knock.
It's okay.
She's sleeping, I guess.
Yes, as you can see.
When she wakes up, you tell her the Queen Mother wants to see her.
I do.
Please don't. Just let her know the Queen demands to see her.
Real?
Stop.
The Queen wants to see you.
I said drive. I said move. Listen, the money of your life.
My money?
Yes, your money. Listen, don't play smart with me. I said give me the money, I'll shoot you.
Well, go ahead and shoot.
Eh?
I say shoot, if you can. Come on, this is a toy gun now.
How do you know it's a toy gun?
You are threatening me with a toy gun.
Sorry, sir. Okay, sorry.
People are passing though. Better keep that thing down before they lynch you.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Yeah, I'm not a thief.
So what are you doing with a toy gun? You know, I saw you when I was making a call in the car. I saw you at the bar. I overheard your conversation with that fat woman. What is it?
She wanted me to sleep with her before she could help me. As a matter of fact, the attack was meant for her. Yes. I wanted to attack her with the toy gun before I saw you with some money. You see, I'm not a thief. Yes, I'm innocent. Just that I needed some money to treat my mother. My mother is dying. My mother is sick. She needs blood transfusion. Yes. I'm sorry, sir. I'm not a thief.
So, you feel this is the best way to go about it?
I'm sorry, sir.
How much is it?
The doctor demanded for 170,000.
But to be sure, I want you to take me to the hospital so I can see your mother.
Eh?
Yes.
To the hospital?
Yeah. This, which way? This way?
Yeah, go straight.
You must stop attending to the king. You are free to leave this palace.
Yes, Your Majesty. But
There is no but. You will do as my mother has said.
They have signed their hands because of betrayal. It's breaking my heart, it's making me to cry. Defending my This life is not the way you think and
Hey, love. Baby, I am not fine. I keep begging you for video call, but you've practically refused. I don't know what to do anymore, and I really want to see you. Of course, I need to see your face. I want to see you, honey. Okay, at least can you send me a video of you right away? I am waiting, baby. I am seriously waiting. So tell me, do you like the pictures and videos I sent to you? Yeah, my pictures and videos I sent to you. I know you viewed them already. So, do you like them? Oh, great. That's amazing. Alright, my love. I love you more. Take care of yourself. Bye. He has no idea that all I wanted from him is to crown my brother, the king. And after that, I will discard him. That's it. He is not even up to my class. I've got my eyes on the governor. That is where I belong.
Ifunanya,
my queen,
you took my jewelries?
I did not.
How dare you?
My princess, I am not a thief. I've never stolen in my life before. I swear, I don't know how they got into my bag.
Ifunanya, you dare steal from this royal home?
I didn't.
God!
I didn't do it. I swear.
I am sure you know the implication of this. You did. Take her out of my sight immediately.
I didn't do it.
Shut up!
I didn't do it.
I've
never stolen before.
Get
I did
out.
not do it.
Take the thing out!
I did not do it. I swear. I did not know Ebuka. I did not do it.
Let's go.
I'm innocent. I've never stolen before.